We're going to do an experiment. So you need to have a plastic bottle. Put some water in the bottom. Put it all in. Next we need some oil. We've got baby oil. Oh yeah, it does say baby oil. Wait for it to settle. Next we need Alka-Seltzer or fizzy vitamins. We've got fizzy vitamins. Put it in the bottle. It's pink. Put more in. Make it more fizzy. What are we going to do next? Look what it's doing. It's all coming out. It feels fizzy. Ooh, there's all of the vitamins. The vitamins have dissolved. That's what made it fizzy. I'm putting my hand in to feel if it's very fizzy. Look, it's separating. The oil's on the top, the water's on the bottom. The water's all from the vitamin. It all fizz up to the top again. What's it going to do? It's going all the way up to the Look, it's like a volcano now. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.